Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to export data and perform a data backup in Zoho Books quickly and easily. First, go to Zoho Books and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. To export sales-related data, navigate to the Sales tab on the left-hand menu, then click on Quotes. You'll see an overview of all your existing quotes. Next, look for the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click it, then select Export Arrow, Export Quotes. Choose your preferred file format, confirm your selection, and click Export again. Your quotes will now be downloaded to your computer. Now, let's perform a data backup. In the left sidebar, click the Settings icon. From there, go to Data Administration arrow, backup your data. Click Continue to start the backup process. Zoho Books will compile your data into a secure backup file ready for download or storage. And that's it. You've successfully exported your quotes and backed up your Zoho Books data, ensuring your financial information is safe and secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.